Homeowners in Clinton Township are always looking for smart ways to enhance comfort, save money, and boost property value. One of the most impactful upgrades is investing in energy-efficient windows. These modern windows do far more than simply improve curb appeal. They offer lasting benefits that homeowners notice immediately and continue to appreciate for years. Here are the top advantages of installing energy-efficient windows in Clinton Township homes. Lower energy bills. Year-round Michigan weather can be unpredictable, with icy winters and hot, humid summers. Traditional windows often allow drafts in the winter and heat transfer in the summer, forcing heating and cooling systems to work harder. Energy-efficient windows feature advanced glass coatings, multiple panes, and insulating frames that minimize heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This translates to lower utility bills month after month. Many Clinton Township families find that their new windows pay for themselves over time through reduced energy expenses. Increased indoor comfort. Drafty windows can make certain rooms feel too cold in winter or too hot in summer, leaving homeowners constantly adjusting the thermostat. Energy-efficient windows help stabilize indoor temperatures, creating a more consistent and comfortable living environment throughout the year. By blocking cold drafts and reducing heat from the sun, these windows make it easier to enjoy every room in the house without battling temperature swings. Enhanced home value and market appeal. Clinton Township homeowners who plan to sell in the future will appreciate the return on investment that energy-efficient windows provide. Buyers are increasingly prioritizing sustainable and cost-saving upgrades when shopping for homes. Installing energy-efficient windows can boost property value and curb appeal, giving your home an edge in a competitive market. They not only look modern and stylish but also signal to buyers that the home is well maintained and future costs will be lower. Noise reduction. For a quieter home. Clinton Township is a vibrant community, but street noise, traffic, or even neighborhood activity can sometimes disrupt the peace inside your home. Energy-efficient windows are designed with multiple panes of glass and superior sealing, which provide a noticeable reduction in outside noise. This is especially beneficial for homes located near busy roads or lively neighborhoods, helping create a calmer, quieter indoor atmosphere. Protection against UV damage. Over time, harmful UV rays can fade flooring, furniture, and decor. Energy-efficient windows are typically coated with low emissivity, low E, glass, which blocks most UV rays without reducing natural light. This means you can enjoy bright, sun-filled rooms while still protecting your interiors from fading and wear. It's a long-term safeguard that preserves both comfort and aesthetics. Eco-friendly choice for sustainable living. Choosing energy-efficient windows isn't just good for your wallet, it's good for the environment. By reducing energy consumption, you also lower your household's carbon footprint. Many Clinton Township residents are embracing eco-conscious living, and energy-efficient windows are a practical, impactful step toward making homes more sustainable. Minimal maintenance with modern designs. Today's energy-efficient windows are designed with durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which resist warping, rotting, and peeling. They often include features such as tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning, saving homeowners time and effort. This means less maintenance and more time enjoying your home's improved comfort and style. Final thoughts. Installing energy-efficient windows in Clinton Township homes is a smart investment that combines financial savings, comfort, and environmental responsibility. From lower utility bills and reduced noise to UV protection and increased property value, these windows offer benefits that touch nearly every aspect of homeownership. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for decades or sell in the near future, energy-efficient windows provide a lasting return on investment, keeping your Clinton Township home more comfortable, efficient, and valuable for years to come.